So this is our train track lunge exercise. So very similar to normal lunges, but obviously the clue's in the name, train track. So try and imagine you're walking down some train tracks when you do it. So obviously there's a nice sort of this size gap on train tracks. So what you want to do, start off in your normal position. You're going to take a big step out in a diagonal direction here. This front leg is now going to be pointing straight forward in the direction you want to go. This back leg, you're going to let twist in and come down here. You are going to feel a little bit of a stretch down the front of the quad, maybe the front of the hip. If the hip flexors and quads are quite tight, that's absolutely fine. After a knee injury, that's quite common. So we're basically teaching them to be strong through a little bit of length. So you're going to go down nice and low. That knee at the back is going to be almost on the floor, but you're not actually going to let it rest. You're going to keep it off slightly, so you've got that tension in there. And then what I want you to do, you've got two options. You can either twist into the front leg, or you can bend into the front leg. Try them out. Try which one you feel like works you a little bit more. It doesn't necessarily challenge the stability anymore, but what it does is when you twist like that, you might feel the stretch a little bit lower down. When you twist like this, you might feel it a bit higher up. Find whichever one you feel makes you work harder and go for that. So when you're down in that position, you've done your twist or your side bend, you're going to come up to this front position. Use that front leg to pull you across. Try not to push off with that back one. This front leg is going to drag you there, like so. You're going to repeat exactly the same thing. Out in a diagonal, twist, side bend, whatever it is, and then come back up to the meeting point at the top. Any questions, just let me know.